Nigerians. So this video you are watching here, these are the parents of the 37 persons that were kidnapped in Lassa. Lassa is under Askiri Oba local government area of Borno State. Remember I told you of the Boko Haram attack that happened in GSS Lassa 2 days ago. Today is the 1st of July 2026. You know they wanted to cover this 37. You know they pushed that video. They pushed that video of the 7 people that were rescued, according to them. They pushed the video and they pushed the community people celebrating. Hey, win now, oh, win! And people were like, thank God they have rescued them. And I came out yesterday to tell you guys, no, it is not just these 7 people. 37 is still missing. You can't tell me that these people came there and just picked only 6 people. 37 is still missing. Go and check. I was the first person to break that news. 37. My post don't enter 20 hours. Every other report came after my own. All of them, the 18, 16, 15, 12. Like, they were shocked after English. Shock! How did English alleges get this thing? How did I know that it's 37? And they were like, oh, Indori Tokamo. Hola, 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 hola. You guys go and tell them. Because they already said it. So they wanted to, this thing was to suppress it first. To suppress it first. Maybe they tell you, the remaining people is 10. They want to push it down. But see, English alleges is here to stay. If they hide them, I go bring them out. I swear to God. I go bring them out. 37. 36 children and 1 female teacher missing. Confirm. No doubt. Go do your verification. Now, there is another one there. This one is allegedly yet to be verified. Yet to be verified. That the parents of these people, of the children that were kidnapped, allegedly, they are trying to gather them one side and compensate them. I'm yet to verify this one. But I'm hearing some yimu that the same way Governor Zulu, the same way they did with the other one, the one there of Musa District. You heard that girl coming out to tell the public that they offered them 10 million. So this one too, there's a rumor flying that they want to pack them one side and compensate them. Compensate them for what exactly? Compensate them for what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Wickedness, evil, not the town, blood-sucking demons. That is what you people are. The government of Nigeria. You people are blood-sucking demons. You feed on people's blood. So, the compensation fee is for what? Tell me for what? I want to know the compensation fee for what? See mother crying, fathers crying, brothers crying, sisters crying. And you want compensation? Oga, bring back the children. That is what they want. They don't want fucking compensation. Bring back the children.
crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa, Boko Haram, Fulani headsmen, bandits, all of them. Who brought them to Nigeria? It's Fulani. Fulani brought them into Nigeria. El Rufai brought them in. Bauchi State Governor brought them in. Are you people deaf and dumb and stupid?
Nigeria. Lekwa Nigeria madosa aya Chineke na de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge ndị dị etu a wee laa ha n'iyi. Chineke na kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpọ ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.